plant-based cooking with LCS. Today I'm going to walk you through a very simple recipe involving candied maple balsamic Brussels sprouts and red onion on the barbecue. Because barbecues are not just for meat. Step inside my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Before we get started on the cooking, here are a few tips. Number 1, protect your clothes with a fancy apron. Number 2, wear some plant-based attire as it is Earth Day. And number 3, gather your family in the kitchen because the kitchen is a social place where people come together to enjoy time. And of course, number 4, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Step 1, chop your Brussels sprouts in half and add them to boiling water for 1 minute. While they're boiling, chop your onion into 1-inch squares. Step 2, once your Brussels sprouts have boiled, you need to strain them and pat them dry. Then add them to a bowl with your chopped red onions. Right, next let's make the marinade. For the marinade you will need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Please note I am using the Grove's maple syrup, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to start step 3 with a top tip. If using wooden skewers, make sure you soak them in water first. Now, this is where things get pretty dangerous because these things are sharp. Ow! Okay, we're going to start with an onion. Try and get your onion so it's the red side down for looks. Then your Brussels sprout. It's best to pierce the Brussels sprout from the inside, just like that, so then it can go through easily. You want to aim for about 4 Brussels sprouts per skewer. And you just go Brussels sprout, red onion,
Brussels sprout, red onion, Brussels sprout, and then end with an onion.
and then pop them on the tray, ready to go outside to the barbecue. Looking good. Oh dear. The final step is to garnish your skewers with fresh parsley and lemon juice. And that is my plant-based meal. Now I challenge you to make your own plant-based meal and share it with the LCS community. Remember, barbecue